Hello everyone, in this video we are going to cover bearings. So what a bearing is I'm going to put some notes on. True north or from true north or true bearing would be from true north. True north or true bearing is degrees from north. So essentially bearings is just tying into trigonometry and an application of trigonometry. So let's start with our first question. If Jack J walks 150 kilometers due east, so that's going to be in this direction, and then 20 kilometers due south, what is his true bearing from his current position? So his true bearing is going to be like, how many degrees is it from here all the way around, because that's our north up there, all the way around until he's going to be pointing at his base camp. So to do that, we are going to need to find this angle here, theta, and then do 360 minus theta to find his true bearing. If that's our theta, then we're going to have a hypotenuse, which is going to always be this side, opposite our right angle. We're going to have our opposite side, which is opposite the theta. And we're going to have our adjacent side, which will be touching the angle. So we have A and O, so we're going to have tan of theta is equal to 150 O over A over 20. So that means theta will be equal to, and we're going to have to remove this tan here from the theta. So we do a tan inverse of 150 over 20. So then we get theta is equal to 82.41 if we round to do two decimal places. So think back to what I was saying earlier. How are we going to find our true bearing? You can pause the video now, and I'm going to work it out now. So to do that, because we have to find this angle around here, we know that if we go all the way to here, that's going to be 360 degrees, but we need to go back 82.41. So we can do 360 minus 82.41, 277.59. What is Jack's true bearing from his base camp? So that's going to be from the base camp. So that means we're going to be starting at our base camp here. That's where we're going to be starting, and it's going to be his true bearing. So if we start at north, we're rotating around until we get to an angle where Jack is along that angle. So it's going to be this angle here, which is all of that in there. So we know that's going to be in 90 degrees there, because in here it said he was going due east. We're going to do 90 plus this angle. So theta, let's rewrite our O and our A. So our adjacent's going to be the one touching it, and our opposite's going to be this one. Theta, or the tan of theta, is going to equal O over A. It's going to equal 20 over 150. So now theta, we're going to get rid of this tan. So what did we do before? We took the tan inverse. And on most calculators, tan inverse will be shift tan. 20 over 150. Theta is going to equal 7.59. Rounding to two decimal places. Now, we need to find this whole angle in there. So how are we going to do that? We are going to go 90, because we have this right angle, plus 7.59 is equal to 97.59. We go that, there is that answer there. There is our first answer. And that there, I hope that helped you somewhat with your studies.